Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I am showing you how Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I am showing you how to use Feedly, the ultimate content creation tool, perfect for students, researchers, marketers, or anyone who wants to stay updated without the noise. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to use Feedly like a pro. Let's get started. Feedly. Feedly is a news arranger. It pulls content from from blogs, news sites, YouTube channels, newsletters, and more into one clean feed. Instead of visiting 10 different websites, you just open Feedly and see everything in one place, organized and distraction free. Go to feedly.com and sign up using Google. Then select personal, enter your email and password, or sign up with your Google account. Once you are in, you will land on your today page. This shows highlights from your feeds. On the left sidebar, you will find feeds, boards, create AI feed, recently read. Let's start customizing. To start following content, click Create AI feed in the sidebar. Then click Next, get started, again Next. Now search for topic. By topic, URL or site name, you can follow blogs, news sites, YouTube channel, newsletter, like how to simple way. Select it, click on it, and preview the content. Feeds are like folders. You can organize sources by theme. For example, news for general updates, clients for agency work, AI tools for specific niche monitoring, inspiration for blog or video ideas. To create a new feed, click plus next to feed. Name your folder like blog, then save. This This keeps your dashboard neat and laser focused. Now now click on follow website and choose from here like cybersecurity, then follow all. Click on any feed to start reading. You can click headlines to open the full post. Use the save or a save to board button for later. Click read later button from the left side bar to bookmark. Share articles by email or social. Mark articles as read or keep them unread. Use boards to collect articles around a topic, perfect for research, reports, or content planning. Meet Leo, Feedless AI assistant. You can prioritize articles based on keywords, mute repetitive topics, spot trends in real time. To set it up, click Train LEO. Choose a feed and add priorities like ChatGPT, crypto news, or product launches. Some advanced Leo features are available in Pro plans. That's how you use Feedly in 2025. To recap, follow your favorite sources, organize them with feeds, use boards, and read later for saving. Let Leo help you filter noise, sync everything across devices. If this helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more digital productivity tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.